Well, if you're looking for any cool weather across southeast Texas, it's just not going to happen for a few days. In fact, we're still running in the mid to upper 70s, even still a few low 80s in a few spots across the area. Our Roofing 911 Skycam network right here in Beaumont, we have partly sunny skies, sun beginning to set, and temperatures running pretty close to 80. Temperatures, as you can see here, these are highs and lows. There's our normal low, there's our normal high. And they're not just going anywhere yet. And we do have a weak cold front coming in Friday. We'll have a slight chance showers that. Notice Saturday morning we will drop to about 60. So that's a little bit cooler than what we've seen with these lows near 70, but still well above normal highs until a stronger front works in Sunday evening. We'll have a slight chance of rain with that too, not a big chance, but it will cool us off into the 50s Monday morning and maybe some upper 40s to near 50 by the middle part of next week. Right now we have southeast winds off the Gulf of Mexico. You know what that means tonight with light winds. More fog later tonight along with those low clouds. Rain chances pretty slim the next couple of days. There's that 30% late Friday with our weak cold front, 20% on Sunday with a little bit stronger cold front. So no huge chances of rain in the forecast at this time. Had a little bit of moisture today throughout the atmosphere, and we predicted a 10% coverage today. We had that this morning, especially right along Interstate 10. Look at the moisture, but it kind of dries out a little tomorrow. So other than some fog and drizzle in the morning, we're not expecting any widely scattered showers at this time. 70s and 80s across the west. We're also running in the 70s and 80s across southeast Texas. A front up along the Red River into Oklahoma producing quite a few showers and thunderstorms up there. Otherwise, the heat's the big weather story. 92 in Laredo. By the way, this front will not reach our area. A little disturbance coming out of New Mexico, crossing that front, producing the showers and storms to our north. In fact, in the mid and upper atmosphere here, you see a ridge of high pressure extending up into the central plains. This is on Friday when we get our first cold front. Remember, it's a weak one. But notice these little colored areas. These are little upper level disturbances within the westerly flow. Move across the area, giving us at least a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm coming up Friday, but it is not a big chance. As you can see, the storm track's just too far to the north to give us anything real cold or any good shower and thunderstorm activity. In fact, you can see on Futurecast for Friday, just a few scattered light showers here and there. Not a big deal as that weak front works on in from the north. Tonight, it's going to be low clouds and fog, so watch out for that as you head out later tonight, early and tomorrow morning. Very warm. We're probably staying in the upper 60s to near 70 for lows again. Flow off the Gulf. It's just not going to change anything until we get a wind shift on Friday into the weekend. Tomorrow we're back to the low to mid 80s. We start out cloudy, some drizzle. We become partly cloudy in the afternoon, so we're back to the 80s. Any cold front staying well to our north at the present time. Marine forecast, not too bad except for the fog overnight and in the morning. Seas 1 to 2 feet, water temperature 69 degrees tonight. Warm and humid, some dense fog later tonight. Mid to upper 60s and lows in the lakes. Upper 60s to near 70 for lows in the triangle. So very, very warm. Temperatures well above normal for this time of the year. There's that little bit of a chance of showers Friday with our cool front. It's weak, but we do drop to 60 Saturday morning, but we stay in the 80s. Stronger front, cold front Monday or Sunday night. We're down to 54 Monday morning and maybe some upper 40s next week. Tuesday and Wednesday morning, nothing bitter cold, but that's a little bit closer to normal anyway. Then another chance of rain a week from this Thursday. So it just continues to roll on and on. We're in that spring pattern, but we'll still see some more cooler weather. I think it'll be a little bit cooler next week.
Certainly warm. Now, we saw some fog this morning, and we're going to see some again tomorrow.
Exactly. Almost the same situation. Anywhere from after 10, 11 o'clock tonight to after daybreak. So watch out if you're heading out overnight.
Yeah. All right. Good tips. Thanks so much, Carrie.